This is my quick review of the ceramic modern abstract art piece. I bought the large size in this beautiful blue and gold, and the blue is actually dark enough to come off as kind of a navy, and it matched perfectly with my other decor in my room. I could not have asked for better coloring for the space that I was looking for some art pieces for. I do love how it has this ball design in the middle. The material is ceramic and it is just absolutely beautiful all the way around. You've got the gold that goes up through the top. And I love how it comes with a rubber pad on the bottom, making sure that it stays in place and does not move very easily. If you have it like sitting on a table and the table shakes, you don't have to worry about it rocking or anything, as this pad that comes on the bottom keeps it sitting steady in place. But if you're looking for an art piece for a space in your house, I can absolutely recommend this one, as I do feel it is absolutely beautiful.